In the realm of automotive refinement, few vehicles can match the splendor of the Bentley Continental Mansory GT63. This Bentley Continental Mansory GT63 arrived all the way from Dubai at the Prasads Automotive, yearning for nothing less than the utmost care and attention. For 3 months, the skilled artisans at the Prasads Automotive meticulously poured their expertise into restoring this automotive masterpiece. Through their excellent workmanship and innovative solutions, they breathed new life into the vehicle, transforming it into a symbol of unrivaled magnificence. At the Prasads Automotive, tailored elegance meets affordability without compromising on high-quality service, diagnosis, and repairs. Each aspect of the Bentley Continental Mansory GT63 has been meticulously attended to, ensuring that every detail exudes an air of sophistication and excellence. The exterior of this extraordinary vehicle boasts a captivating orange and black finish that commands attention from every angle. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a plush interior adorned with Mansory Alcantara finish in a striking shade of orange, elevating the allure of the cabin to new heights of unparalleled quality. But it's not just about aesthetics. This Bentley delivers a flawless performance that matches its remarkable elegance. Every mechanical component has been carefully inspected and fine-tuned to ensure optimal quality and reliability. The handcrafted mastery of the Prasads Automotive shines through in every aspect, guaranteeing a truly exceptional driving experience. Now, the Bentley Continental Mansory GT63 stands ready to embark on its next transcontinental road trip, poised to conquer every mile with grace and power. This is made possible by the top-notch customer service that the Prasads Automotive provides, ensuring that every journey is met with the highest level of satisfaction. With its stunning aesthetics, meticulous craftsmanship, and exceptional performance, the Bentley Continental Mansory GT63 stands as the epitome of automotive luxury. It represents the pinnacle of what can be achieved when passion, skill, and dedication come together in perfect harmony.